Hello there, this is Blueprint coming at you with a snowstorm, or a blizzard to be exact. My name is Sophia Cole.
And my name is Emily Bandera, and we're both juniors. Today we're going to be testing out blizzards from Dairy Queen down 63rd Street. Today, we're going to be talking to a former student from Dallas Girls South as well. Her name is Taylor Troja. Let's see what she has to say about the blizzards.
We'll also get a sneak peek of what Coco has to say about the blizzards.
Hi, my name's Taylor Troja. I am an owner of my own Dairy Queen and I've been working at this one for 13 years. Some of our most popular blizzards right now are the fall blizzard menus. So we have the pumpkin pie, which is just pie pieces and pumpkin pie mix. And then we have Snickers Caramel brownie, just Snickers caramel brownie pieces. Oreo hot cocoa, which is Oreos and cocoa fudge, and then the cinnamon roll centers, which is cinnamon roll pieces and a brown butter cinnamon topping base.
First thing we're going to be trying out is the pumpkin pie blizzard. As you know, it actually contains actual pie pieces. So let's just dig in right now.
Not bad.
It's decent enough, but I really want to order again, but it's good to try out.
Strong pumpkin flavor, but I like the crust crunchy thingies. They're pretty good.
I agree. Next that we're going to try out is the Snickers Caramel Blizzard. As you know, of course it contains actual Snickers. So let's just dig in again. Honestly not bad.
Wow. That's really good.
Honestly, I really like it. The peanut is just like there.
I got a little caramel chunk, 10 out of 10. I love caramel.
Honestly, I never had a Snickers, but actually not bad for a blizzard. I really like it.
Me too. Would order again.
Same.
This is the hot chocolate flavor, and Coco seems to already be adoring it. So let's try it.
All right. Last flavor.
It's a big chunk. Oh my god.
Ooh. It tastes like a classic chocolate ice cream, but not bad.
That's pretty good. Crunchy too. Is that Oreo?
Honestly, I pretty much like it. I'll give it a 8 out of 10 though.
I give this one a 9 out of 10.
All right.
Next up, we have the cinnamon bun one, and it looks like Coco's already digging in.
All right, then let's just go again. I have high hopes for this one.
Oh, she just sprayed us.
Oh my god, that looks good.
Well, that is good.
Oh, damn.
I like the chunks.
Oh my god.
Usually when I get ice cream like this, the chunks tend to be too crunchy or too stale, but that actually tastes like a cinnamon bun.
Damn, it actually does. I actually like the cinnamon, and like the sweetness is perfect. I really like it. 10 out of 10 for this one.
I give it an 8 out of 10.
Of course.
Overall, this was a very fun experience, and I would definitely do it again. At that particular Dairy Queen, I've had many positive experiences. Those blizzards were awesome. I would rank them as, in 4th place would be the pumpkin pie, 3rd place cinnamon bun, 2nd place Snickers, and 1st place hot chocolate. How about you?
I'm gonna say that mine's actually similar to yours, but I'm gonna say that my last one is pumpkin, and my 3rd one is definitely Snickers, 2nd one hot chocolate, and my 1st one, which I really liked, was the cinnamon bun ones. And I really enjoyed this experience too with you. I'm glad.
Coco definitely loved the hot chocolate one the best.